In this video, I'll demonstrate how to replace the speed control plate on your KitchenAid stand mixer. Remove the rear cover to access the speed control plate. The speed control plate is connected to three components on the mixer: the power cord. Removing the ground wire is optional. The phase control board. And the mixer. Next, we will unhook the control plate spring from the speed control board. You will need to have a cloth or a zip tie, like in the example in the video, to hook the spring into once it's detached. The speed control plate adjustment screws are part of the speed control plate. Before loosening these screws, measure the distance from the lock nut to the back of the plate. Loosen the speed plate adjustment screws from the back of the mixer. Each terminal on the new speed plate is marked with the wire color indicator. Before installing the new speed plate, ensure the bottom speed plate screw is screwed into the same depth as the original. Mount the speed control plate to the rear of the mixer. Reattach the speed control plate spring. If the rear gasket was removed, reinstall the rear gasket. Carefully reattach all wires to their designated terminals. If the power cord was removed, reattach the power cord. Adjust both of the speed plate adjustment screws to the original depth. If you cannot read it from a tape measure, measure an object of the same depth and use it as a spacer to ensure both screws are even. If the trim band was removed, go ahead and reattach it at this time. When reattaching the rear cover, ensure the rear gasket fits inside the groove on the inside of the cover.